15 miles an hour after midnight, and the chance of rain 50% in the evening. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lonoke County in central Arkansas, northeastern Pulaski County in central Arkansas, extreme south central Emmett County in central Arkansas until 6 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., National Weather Service